Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials, an email you control, and your birth date. Open settings on your iPhone or iPad, then tap Sign into your iPhone. Once there, choose Create Apple ID and enter the email, a strong password, and your birth date. Make sure to select security questions you'll remember. They unlock account recovery. If you plan to buy Minecraft, add a payment method now, otherwise select None if available. This gets your Apple ID ready for the App Store. You'll now create and confirm the account. Enter your email and a secure password, then add a phone number for two-factor verification. This protects purchases like Minecraft. Tap Next and accept Apple's terms, choose a payment method, or select None if you don't want to attach a card. Apple sends a verification code to your email and phone. Once done, enter both codes promptly. Make sure to check spam if you don't see the email. After verification, your Apple ID is active for downloads. You're ready to install Minecraft. Open the App Store, sign in with your new Apple ID if prompted, then search for Minecraft and tap Get or Buy. Enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID to confirm the download. Once installed, launch the game and sign in or link your Microsoft/Xbox account if required for multiplayer. If the App Store blocks the purchase, reset your password or check payment details. If problems persist, contact Apple support. They can resolve verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.